In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure important emails are sent without you lifting a finger, this is the guide for you. First, you'll need to head over to Monday.com. Go ahead and fire up your favorite web browser and type in the URL. This platform is a fantastic tool for project management, offering numerous features to facilitate your work. Once you're on the site, you'll see the login button. Click on it to access your account. Monday.com offers various ways to log in, and if you've linked your Google account previously, you can opt to click on the Google icon. This method not only saves time, but also reduces the need to remember another password. Simply choose the Google account connected with your Monday.com profile, and you're in. After logging in, navigate to your specific board. This should be the one where you want to set up the email automations. As you know, each board in Monday.com serves as a project hub containing tasks, statuses, and all relevant details. Once you're on the correct board, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice the Automate button, which is your gateway to automation magic. Clicking on Automate will bring up a search box. Here, simply type in email, and you'll be presented with various templates related to email automations. Choosing the right template is crucial, as it sets the foundation for how your emails will be triggered and sent. After selecting a template that fits your needs, click on Use Template. With the template ready, the next step is to establish an account connection. This involves linking the email account from which your automated emails will be sent. It could be a company email or any other account you prefer. Setting this up is key to ensuring the authenticity of your communications. Now comes the point where you get to tailor the automation to fit your exact requirements. This involves setting parameters such as when an email will be sent to whom, and possibly even what it should contain. The flexibility here is enormous and allows you to really align the automated emails with your workflow. Once you're satisfied with how you've set everything up, it's time to create the automation. Clicking on Create Automation will finalize everything, activating your automated email process. From here on out, Monday.com will handle the email sending based on the parameters you've defined, freeing you to focus on other tasks. This process is straightforward, yet incredibly powerful, making sure crucial emails never slip through the cracks. With these steps, you're now set to leverage Monday.com's automations to increase efficiency and productivity. So go on, try it out, and experience the benefits of seamless automated emails. Thanks for watching.